giant, expensive glass buildings for the business school, which has never done anything good for anyone. Shy David I comes out of that. I don't think anything good happens. So they say that they don't build. They're not building.
Green institution mission.
Yay!
At the same time, Columbia has been displacing Harlem residents for decades while not being transparent about its budget and about where its money is going.
Yay!
Sunrise demands that Columbia be transparent about its funding, about its money, and then basically receive funding from organizations that have all of the communities in mind and not just Columbia's corporate ideas. Thank you.
Columbia, Columbia, open your eyes!
Columbia, Columbia, open your eyes!
Harlem is not yours to buy!
Harlem is not yours to buy!
Columbia, Columbia, open your eyes!
Columbia, Columbia, open your eyes!
Harlem is not yours to buy!
Harlem is not yours to buy!
Columbia, have you no shame?
Columbia, have you no shame?
No more use of eminent domain!
No more use of eminent domain!
Columbia, have you no shame?
Columbia, have you no shame?
No more use of eminent domain!
No more use of eminent domain!
Columbia, what do you have to say?
Columbia, what do you have to say?
You ignore the CBA!
You ignore the CBA!
Columbia, what do you have to say?
Columbia, what do you have to say?
You ignore the CBA!
You ignore the CBA!
Woo!
All right. Hey everybody, how you doing? How's it going? My name is Dan McSweeney. I'm here representing the Morningside Heights Community Coalition. We were founded in 2016 by neighbors who lived around here. Some of them were affiliated with Columbia, others not. At the end of the day, however, we all agreed that we need to do a better job at putting forth the perspectives and the needs and the desires of all neighbors, regardless of whether or not you're affiliated not only with Columbia, but with all the institutions around here. So, to that end, we are the Just Housing Committee. We've been working with the Interfaith Commission. I see Kai here. We've been working with HEP and with other students, the Columbia Policy Institute, and with Senator Cordell Clear to make sure that Columbia understands why our views must be heard. What do y'all think of that? This is a story about interdependence. I'll give you a quick history lesson. In the 1700s, this area was completely undeveloped. By 1708, a road was built up that went up to 115th Street. That was called the Bloomingdale Road. Shortly thereafter, institutions began to appear here. The first one was called the Bloomingdale Insane Asylum, which is now the campus of Columbia University. Shortly after that, the Leek and Watts Orphan Asylum arrived at what is now the Cathedral of St. John the Divine. In 1904, something very important happened, which is that the subway came up here and all the way up to Harlem. And that meant that there were now two types of people living here, those affiliated with the institutions and those not. There has never been an equitable understanding, in my opinion, between these two groups. And if we can't do this in the 21st century with all of the assets that we have available to us, and with all of our appreciation of difference and our appreciation and commitment to social justice, then when can we do it? What do you guys think?
Yeah!
So we're here to make the pitch. We are here to propose that we strengthen our relationship. We, as an independent nonprofit,